Driver mechanic here on a Mercedes SLK, I think it's an R171. Had to do the headlight dipped on this one here, wasn't working. Bit of a pain. So if you've got tiny arms, you might be able to reach through here. You've got this cover which goes at the back of that. You twist it that way. What I've done to give myself some room is there is this 10mm on here. Cleaned it up, it was a bit rusty. Put a bit of this AC90 on it, it's good stuff. Took that off. And then this thing takes a bit of wobbling, but it comes to the side. And when it comes to the side, you can get your hand in. This is in there. With that plug on the back, what you do, reach in and you twist it the same. Takes quite a bit of force, twist it that way, whole thing comes out. And then there's these two clips here. Pull them to the side and the clip will come off. It's one of these H7 bulb. And then obviously put this thing back onto the new bulb. Be careful not to touch the glass on the new one. Put the cable back on, back in, twist this back on. There's two rubbers down there that this water bottle sits into. Spray a bit of the AC90 on them. Line them up, back on 10mm on. Job done. Any questions? Put them in the comments.